Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about blockchain technology or simply curious about how to make your transactions faster and cheaper, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's revolutionizing the way we interact with Ethereum. That's right, we're talking about Arbitrum. So, grab your snacks and let's get started. But first, you might be wondering, what exactly is Arbitrum and how does it work? Great question! Let's break it down. To understand Arbitrum, we need to start with Ethereum. As many of you know, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, or dApps. However, Ethereum faces some challenges, particularly when it comes to scalability and high transaction fees. During peak usage times, the network can become congested, leading to slow transaction speeds and fees that can skyrocket to hundreds of dollars. In fact, in 2021, we saw transaction fees reach over $60 during peak times, which is quite steep, especially for everyday users. This is where Arbitrum comes in to save the day. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. But what does that mean? Simply put, it's a technology that works on top of the Ethereum blockchain to increase its transaction capacity and reduce costs. By processing transactions off the main Ethereum chain, Arbitrum can help alleviate congestion and offer much lower fees. Think of it like a busy highway that gets a new lane to help ease traffic flow. Here's how it works. When you make a transaction using Arbitrum, it gets bundled along with other transactions into what's called a rollup. This rollup is then sent back to the Ethereum mainnet as a single transaction. This dramatically reduces the amount of data that needs to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain, leading to faster confirmations and lower costs. For example, without Arbitrum, a simple transaction might take several minutes and cost you $30. But using Arbitrum, that same transaction could be confirmed in seconds for just a few cents. Isn't that amazing? Arbitrum isn't just about speed and cost, it also supports a wide range of decentralized applications. Many popular dApps, like Uniswap and Chainlink, have started integrating Arbitrum to provide their users with a smoother experience. This means that the DeFi ecosystem is now more accessible than ever. And speaking of accessibility, let's talk numbers. Since its launch, Arbitrum has seen exponential growth. As of October 2023, it has processed millions of transactions and has hundreds of thousands of active users. This growth showcases how vital Layer 2 solutions are to the future of Ethereum and the broader crypto space. But you might be asking, what makes Arbitrum different from other Layer 2 solutions out there? Well, Arbitrum uses a technology called optimistic rollups. This means that transactions are assumed to be valid by default. However, if someone suspects that a transaction is fraudulent, they have the ability to challenge it. This allows for a balance between speed and security without the need for complex computations at every step. Other Layer 2 solutions might use different technologies, like ZK Rollups, which rely on zero-knowledge proofs to ensure validity. Each solution has its pros and cons, but Arbitrum's simplicity and efficiency have made it a favorite among developers and users alike. Now, as we look to the future, it's clear that solutions like Arbitrum are essential for the scalability of cryptocurrencies. They enable Ethereum to handle more transactions, support more users, and ultimately compete with other blockchain networks. As adoption grows, we can expect to see even more developments and improvements in this space. So, to wrap things up, Arbitrum is a game-changing Layer 2 solution that enhances the Ethereum network by making transactions faster and cheaper. It's helping to pave the way for a more efficient and accessible decentralized ecosystem. If you're interested in exploring Arbitrum or trying out dApps that utilize it, now is a great time to jump in. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content like this. Got questions about Arbitrum or blockchain technology? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check them out. Until next time, happy transacting!